The rainbow lorikeet is a species of parrot found in Australia. It is common along the eastern seaboard, from northern Queensland to South Australia. Its habitat is rainforest, coastal bush, and woodland areas. 6 taxa traditionally listed as subspecies of the rainbow lorikeet are now treated as separate species. Rainbow lorikeets are renowned for their vibrant and striking colors, which contribute to their name. The head of the rainbow lorikeet is a deep blue color. It starts from the top of the beak and extends to the back of the head, covering the entire crown area. The chest and belly of rainbow lorikeets is bright orange. This vivid hue is a prominent feature of their plumage. The upper parts of the wings and back are dark green, with a glossy appearance. The green coloration is sometimes intermixed with a bluish tinge. The tail feathers of rainbow lorikeets are long and have a graduated color pattern. The base of the tail is green, which transitions into blue in the middle and ends with a dark blue or purple tint. The feathers on the body of rainbow lorikeets have a specialized structure that gives them an iridescent quality. In certain lighting conditions, their feathers can display shades of red, purple, and even yellowish green, adding to their stunning appearance. In terms of size, rainbow lorikeets are medium-sized parrots. On average, they measure between 25 to 30 centimeters in length from the beak to the tip of the tail. They have a wingspan of approximately 17 to 20 centimeters. While their body size falls within the medium range, rainbow lorikeets have a relatively long tail compared to their body length. Their tail feathers can add an additional 10 to 15 centimeters to their overall size. The weight of a rainbow lorikeet can vary depending on factors such as age, sex, and overall health. On average, adult rainbow lorikeets weigh between 75 to 157 grams. Male and female lorikeets are generally similar in weight, with no significant difference between the sexes. Rainbow lorikeets are known for their playful and energetic behavior. They may hang upside down, swing from branches, and engage in acrobatics while playing. Rainbow lorikeets are highly social birds and are often seen in small to large flocks. They engage in various social activities, including feeding, grooming, and flying together. They communicate through a range of vocalizations, including screeches, chatters, and whistles. Rainbow lorikeets are agile and acrobatic in flight. They are known for their swift and nimble movements, performing impressive aerial displays and twists. They can be seen flying rapidly through trees and performing aerial maneuvers with ease. Rainbow lorikeets are vocal birds and have a wide range of calls and vocalizations. They use their vocalizations to communicate with each other, establish territory, and warn of potential threats. Their calls can be loud, raucous, and distinct. Rainbow lorikeets are vocal birds and have a wide range of sounds and vocalizations. Screeches. Rainbow lorikeets have a loud and piercing screech that they use for communication. These screeches can be heard during flight, when they are in flocks, or when they are excited or alarmed. Rainbow lorikeets produce chattering sounds, which are rapid and continuous vocalizations. Chattering can occur during social interactions, feeding, or when they are communicating with other lorikeets. They can produce various whistling sounds. These can range from short, high-pitched whistles to longer and melodic tunes. Whistling is often used as a form of communication within the flock. Rainbow lorikeets may emit squawking sounds, especially when they feel threatened or disturbed. Squawks are often loud, harsh, and serve as an alarm call. Rainbow lorikeets can mimic certain sounds and human speech. While not as skilled as some other parrot species, they can sometimes imitate simple words or sounds that they are exposed to. Rainbow lorikeets are known to be curious birds. They may investigate their surroundings, including objects and people. Their inquisitive nature often leads them to explore and interact with their environment. Rainbow lorikeets have a specialized diet primarily consisting of nectar, pollen, fruits, and some small insects. Nectar and pollen. Rainbow lorikeets are nectarivorous birds, which means a significant portion of their diet comes from consuming nectar and pollen. They have a specialized brush-tipped tongue that allows them to extract nectar from flowers. They are especially fond of flowering eucalyptus, grevillea, and bottlebrush plants. Lorikeets also consume a variety of fruits as part of their diet. They eat both soft and hard fruits, including apples, oranges, pears, grapes, melons, and berries. Fruits provide them with essential nutrients and are an important component of their diet. In addition to nectar, rainbow lorikeets feed on blossoms and flowers. They use their beaks to consume the soft parts of flowers and extract any available nectar or pollen. While nectar, pollen, and fruits form the bulk of their diet, rainbow lorikeets also consume small insects, such as ants, caterpillars, and beetles. These insects provide them with additional protein and essential nutrients. Rainbow lorikeets engage in breeding and nesting behaviors to reproduce. Rainbow lorikeets form monogamous pair bonds during the breeding season. Males and females engage in courtship displays, which can include head bobbing, mutual preening, and offering food to each other. Rainbow lorikeets typically nest in tree hollows. However, they may also utilize nesting boxes provided by humans, especially in urban environments where suitable natural hollows may be scarce. They prefer nesting in tall trees, such as eucalyptus or other native species. The female rainbow lorikeet takes the primary responsibility for nest construction. She gathers materials such as twigs, leaves, bark, and other plant matter to build the nest inside the chosen hollow or nesting box. The materials are woven together to form a bowl-shaped structure. Once the nest is constructed, the female will lay a clutch of eggs, usually ranging from 2 to 4 eggs. The eggs are typically white and slightly glossy. The female incubates the eggs, while the male may assist in providing food during this period. The incubation period for rainbow lorikeet eggs is approximately 23 to 26 days. During this time, the female remains in the nest, keeping the eggs warm. After hatching, both parents are involved in feeding and caring for the chicks. The chicks grow rapidly and are covered in soft, downy feathers. The young rainbow lorikeets usually fledge and leave the nest when they are around 7 to 8 weeks old. The parents continue to feed and care for them until they become independent. During this time, the juveniles learn essential skills, such as foraging and flying, from their parents. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.